Hi everyone, and welcome to my channel, My Jewelry Addiction. My name is Tanya and I'm addicted to jewelry. I found these two bags at one of my antique stores, and it looked like there was some pairs of earrings in here, and some bits. It says bits and pieces. It was $10, and so is this one, and I don't know. I haven't found a bag of jewelry there's some jars out there here and there, but I don't know. I really inspect before I buy anymore. If I don't see anything, and these were $10. I just feel like I can't go wrong for $10. And let's see what we got. I don't know. I guess I'll just pour it on here. Well, right off the bat, these are pearl. They're little freshwater, like rice pearls. Broken string, and what's the closure here? Let's see. Oh my gosh, there it is. I was gonna say, where is my look? Yeah, one, let's see, it says 1420, 14-20, so it's 14, it's 20% gold filled, 14K. So that means 20% of the weight of this is actually 14 karat gold. Yeah, if you didn't know. Oh, that's Coro. Oh, and there's a pair. Anyways, some pearls. These are cute. They are Coro. However, this one has got a little paint loss, and sometimes I have fixed some enamel with fingernail polish. I could find some. Oh, that's cute. He's a little turtle. He's missing an eyeball, but I have some little turquoise cabs like that. And yeah, I mean, I could, but fun for crafting anyway. And so is this. Looks like it has a clasp, and it's just a hippie, cute little, is it twisted here, or is it tied together? I'm not sure what's going on there. Super cute. I love that. I do. I love it. These look like Bakelite and seashell clip-on. Cute, actually. They're pretty cute. They definitely look like Bakelite. This particular vendor there has lots of jewelry, and oh, here it is. So this chain is just broken. Broken chain. Fun for crafting, I guess. Oh, this is missing a couple little tiny seed pearls, and it's no big deal. It's just that little hook right there needs to be tightened down. I could probably do it with my fingernail. I use my nails as tools all the time. I might need something a little stronger than my nail, but I mean, it's just as easy as that. And I do have some little seed pearls that I could repair that. Yeah, see, I didn't get it down tight enough with my nail, but That's a quick, easy fix if I choose to. I really don't have time for a lot of that stuff anymore, so I don't know that I'll be doing such things. Oh, there's a whole bunch of rings in here. And there's a whole bunch of these pieces, which I'm sure at one time was a pretty cool looking little, oh wow, that looks like silver. I'm sure of that. It's just a blobby blob. Fun for crafting. These are great for crafting. And I'm a huge crafter, if you don't know. If you're new here, welcome. I appreciate you watching. And if you are new here and haven't subscribed yet, make sure that you subscribe. It's free. And yeah, hit that bell for a notification so you know when I go live. So where's the other one of these? This is cool. That's like a mother of pearl. Oh, there's another little piece. Okay, I'll go over there. Anyhow, that's just a cute, it's a little screwback earring that has mother of pearl. Looks like we got these. That looks like a plastic or something. What are you? Oh, you're an earring. You're awesome. Are there two? I don't see it. Clip-on earring, intaglio. That's nice. I like that. What does it say? Heck if I know. Okay, let's look at this. Like, there's some rings in here. I'm sure these are just heavy gold electroplate. Yeah, 14K HJE. Heavy gold electroplate. Pretty ring, though. Missing some stones on that one. Rings. Where'd you go? It seemed there was a whole bunch. There's one. There's one. There's one. There's one. And here. Okay, so this one is, it's just a metal band. It's copper underneath because I can see the copper coming through in the corners. Rhinestones. Oh, what are you? You're pretty. Wow, you're really pretty. Now, see, this is one of those things that, this is not signed. I don't see a mark on this one anywhere. And this is one that I would definitely test. And I'm looking at it really carefully and it doesn't look like it has been tested. But because it's not marked, wow, it feels like butter too. I'm gonna have to test that one. I was just sitting over here. Oh yeah, here's another one. That's just a costume ring. Oh, and here's one. Oh, and here's one. And here's one. And here's one. Now this one appears to be opal, but there's a missing stone, and this one actually doesn't have any marks either. And looking at it under the loop, ooh, there's some red fire in that stone. That's neat. Yeah, I'll test that one too. It's a lot different in color than this one. It's a lot yellower. So, probably not. Probably neither are, but I'm gonna check it out. Because why not? Oh, that's a cool tree. It's a charm. tree. Looks like we only have one of these. Crafting. And then this is a very pretty crystal necklace. It's missing the clasp or the little J hook. With an AB coating. A little blue crystal. That's plastic. This is very lightweight. Like, it feels like plastic. It doesn't even feel like it's made of metal. It's that lightweight. It just feels very cheaply made. What does it say? It's like, it's vintage for sure. It says Japan. That's like, that's old. It just says Japan. That's cool. And these, you know, those are mother of pearl, or a shell with a nice chatoyance in them. Cute. One of those, one of these, and one of those. Cute for crafting. Oh, I thought I had a whole bunch of pairs. Again, crafting. Oh, the other 4 rings. Nothing to write home about. I've got this one. That one. That one, and that one. And they all have a little wear on the band. I can see from here. They're all costume jewelry. I wasn't anticipating any of this stuff being any precious metal by any means. However, I'm going to check that chain. I am going to check that. Let's see. Do I have a magnet around here? Usually do. I don't see one right off the bat. I'm going to check this chain and this ring here. Oh, that ring is missing a stone as well, but I'm still going to check them both. Because why not? These sometimes, these little tie tacks, if you didn't know, I always used to look on the back here, on the face, you know, on the back for a mark. A lot of times, I didn't know till later on that a lot of times they're marked on the stem, 14K. So I started finding more and more of them that were gold, because I didn't know they were marked on the stem, like sometimes on earrings as well. So anyway, oh my gosh, you're beautiful. Oh, and there's one missing here. Wow. Well, I have a purple stone, and I'm sure I have, I could fix that. Those are so pretty. Is that glass? No, they're plastic, but they are very pretty and fixable. So I'm almost like 99.9% sure that that one's silver. It's just a big old globular ring. It's cool. 95%. What's happening? That's stuck to my elbow. Yeah. So I'll test that one too. I will. There's a little tie clip with a, oh, it's cotton. I think. That's very nice. Are there two? No. Oh my, there's two more rings right here. Wow, that one's beautiful. That's nice. Done nicely. There's this little one here. Oh, it's like a little Mickey Mouse ring. Missing a stone. And this one is beautiful. That's so pretty. I mean, even the way it's made underneath, but it's definitely not anything. You can see the wear there. Looks, it does have some markings inside. Let me see what it says. Oh, this one does say 925. And it's 8. And then like a P and a P on top of each other. I'll test that one too. Probably sterling vermeil. A lot of that vermeil has worn off. It looks like the gold has worn off of there. That's like a little gold tone anklet. We've got a pair of earrings here that's missing 3 little stones. Easily fixed, but probably not worth fixing, so to the crafting pile, I say. That's cute. There's probably only one. Or at least I don't see anymore. Or the other, I should say. There's a pair of these. These have got a lot of, they're very beat up and weird color loss. Earrings, they're super heavy too. That's why I was like looking at them so intensely, because they're so heavy. But I don't think they're much of anything. There's an earring. And, well, that's an earring. And that's an earring. Oh, this goes to this, but it's just missing the white disc part. And I don't see it here. But there's a couple of earrings. And a couple more earrings. Was it worth $10? I don't know. I guess so. You know, I like turning trash into treasure. Not that this is trash, but this is one man's trash. I thought about naming my channel One Man's Trash or One Man's Treasures. Either or. This looks sterling. It's not marked. Huh. Little Taurus. Little bull. Put that right there too. Another broken chain. Good for crafting. Oh, here's the mate to that one. So, again, I have pearls and I have rhinestones. I could repair that. Here's a little Coke bottle. Oh, look at that. It's a pair. Oh, yay. Oh, but I see what's going on here. What's happening? Okay, I could fix that. Sure I can. I think I can. I think I can. There we go. Now it's a pair. Oh, there's some hoops. Some little hoopties. Got a big old gold chain. I wish. Oh boy, you're just in there, aren't you? It's like super lightweight too. Like I can't explain how light that is, and it just came apart as I was trying to get it off of this brooch. So I may as well just break it again, get it out of there. There we go. Sheesh. Oh, that's pretty. So it's just missing a couple little kind of oval faceted blue rhinestones up there at the top. And that's something I'd probably could repair very easily. To the crafting pile. And to the crafting pile. To the garbage. To the garbage. I think this is the main reason I got the whole bag, because I just thought that that was amazing, and I did see that through the bag. So for $10, I'll take it. He's cool. He is a cool... Well, I was going to call him a phoenix, but he's a lion. There's no wings or... Wait, a phoenix doesn't have... Phoenix isn't a lion. Never mind. Just don't even listen to me. It's late. It's past my bedtime. I did have a nap this afternoon. That is a groovy earring. That's really, really cool. Sadly, there's just one. It's a little clip-on vintage. Super cute. Love it. Yeah, it's late and I'm tired. But I didn't really, I took a nap today and I got all my shipping out. Well, with the exception of a couple that hadn't paid yet, so they didn't get shipped. So, yeah, and then I hit a couple of my thrift stores and, oh, that's cute. It's an earring. But it's a bell. And that appears to be an earring as well, clip-on copper. Yeah, so anyways, I'm just tired. Tired. I think I'll go shop tomorrow though. I tried to shop today. I didn't find much. Not jewelry anyway, so I was watching TV and I thought, you know what? I got 2 bags of jewelry. I should look at them. I mean, I've got hundreds of, probably hundreds of bags of jewelry to look at here and there. If I'm being honest. That's pretty, but I think it's just costume. I should say totes, not really bags. Totes of jewelry. That I do need to. I was just thinking about it. I was thinking, man, I need to take every single box and tote and everything and pile it all on my pool table one morning. And then slowly go through it. One at a time. Dun, dun, dun. Yeah, right. That'd take me forever. It was an idea. It was a thought. So I could literally have it all in one spot at one time. These are all just little tiny single earrings that are... It's all crafting stuff to me. This is craft. Crafting. All crafting. Single earrings. And crafting. Oh, that's cute. That's just a little pendant. Crafting. Crafting, crafting. I don't have my test kit in front of me. I'll test these items here. Whoop. I'll test them and let you guys know in the next video if I found treasure or not. And then we'll go through this one and another day. I'm done. Okay, peace out. Let me know what your favorite bit or bob was.